Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1974 Triumph TR-6 convertible. It's finished in its original color, but with a slight modern variation. I think this car started originally mimosa yellow on black, which is what it is now. But it was repainted. I think it's a more attractive color. This is Sunburst yellow off a Honda S2000. So it's got a bit more, I'd say it's got a bit more color. It's got a bit more vibrancy to it, but it really is attractive. I like this color a lot better than the original mimosa yellow. So, but it's very, very close to the mimosa yellow. So mimosa yellow or sunburst yellow on black. This car is a factory 4-speed overdrive car. Disc wheels, the original real attractive TR-6 wheels. And you're viewing here a 68,000 mile car. This car is a knockout. It's probably the best TR-6 we've had in all year. It drives really, really fantastically. I mean, I just took it for a spin there and everything is just kind of nicely sorted, broken in, adjusted. The gearbox shifts like liquid. The engine revs hard. Great exhaust note. It's just an absolutely on-the-button turnkey TR-6. We purchased it from a gentleman, I think in the Midwest, or I think it was in Illinois, and he was really conscientious of this car. He bought it from a good friend of his, and he had it painted, did a lot of work to it just to get it all up to snuff and running and driving perfectly. And he did a wonderful job. He was a great caretaker for this car. So it's in the condition it is today because of his ownership. So it really is a lovely thing. So it's a factory 4-speed overdrive car. It's currently fitted with its original overdrive gearbox. It snaps in and out perfectly. It's completely rust-free. It's completely accident-free. Cosmetically, the car is really lovely. I'll show you the interior here. Well, first of all, let's do this. Let's go panel by panel. So let's go around the car slowly here. I'll show you every panel of the car. Paint job is beautiful. Really, really good, high-quality paint work. So there was some caulking applied here just to seal and I can see just a little bit of flaking of paint, but it's not on the metal, it's just on the soft caulking here that the painter applied. But we can touch that up. We do have the original paint with the car, and it comes with it to the new owner. But yeah, really, really lovely. Chrome's in great condition. I believe it's all the original chrome. Grill's the original. Tires are a little oversized. They are 205s, but the car really does go around the corners quite nice on those bigger tires. So there you have it. Body's just a knockout on the car. Interior wise, really lovely condition. The dash is 100% original. There's a small little repairable crack here that we've got some vinyl specialist guys, and they can do a wonderful job disguising that and making it go away and making it perfect again. It's fitted with a modern alloy wood steering wheel, which is really lovely. You get good feedback from that. Carpets have been replaced at one point. The seats have been done nicely at one point. New door seals. I believe these are all the original door panels because they were just in perfect condition on this low mileage car. Dashwood, I believe, is the original. It may have just been darkened a tick, but top boot is new. The top is new. The windshield, it's been replaced at one point with an updated version. The rubber around here is nice and new. Chrome is great. Wheel trim rings, these are the originals. These are the original brushed aluminum wheel trim rings, not the stainless replacements. I'll show you the engine bay. So yeah, this is the view of the driver's seat here. He's added these little these wind wings, which do a lovely job knocking down a little bit of the wind at high speeds. This is the overdrive switch right here. So you just push down on this to engage. You click up to come out of overdrive. That works perfectly. There's about a second delay, and then it snaps in nicely, just like it should. Let me see if I can pop the hood, and I'll show you the engine compartment here. Yeah, the nice thing is with this car, there's the VIN plate. You can see the O suffix. That means overdrive. The car was born exactly the way you see it, yellow, black, with 4-speed overdrive gearbox. And I'll show you the engine compartment here. Now the engine compartment is, I believe it's all the original paint. This is all the original Mimosa paintwork. Just a little bit of dirt here we can wipe off. You can see there by the original sticker. So all this here is the factory original paint. And then when they painted the car, they painted the back of the hood. But you can see how close that is to the original. It's nearly dead on, but I like this Honda color. It's got a little bit more richness to it. But the engine's beautiful in the car. Original green textured hoses, they've been updated. We did a little bit of engine tidying up. The valve sounded fantastic. This car's got great oil pressure. It just goes like an absolute rocket ship down the street. Radiator looks all in great health. We started up here. I had to just take it for a drive 3 times in a row because our GoPro was playing us up a little bit. But so you can see here, you'll see the temp. It's really warmed up. I've just taken it and driven it about 5-7 miles. Gauges are all functioning. Yeah, engine's a sweetheart, just absolute sweetheart. Ticks over at idle, it's very well tuned. So, yeah, so like I said, the top's new, the top boot's new, completely rust-free, completely accident-free. Beautifully detailed engine bay with original paint. The car's had 1 repaint in its life, in its current Sunburst yellow. It's had a little bit of upholstery work, but largely, all in all, highly original car. Runs and drives brilliantly. Turnkey on the button. It's fitted with its original factory overdrive. And there you have it. Really lovely TR-6, probably the best one we've had in all year. 1974 TR-6. It's finished in its original yellow with black trim. 4-speed overdrive, disc wheels. 68,000 original miles. And it's for sale right now on our website. You can view the driving video just preceding this walk around video. Our website is www.kurttannermotorcars.com.